Tired of boring snacks? Let's make 7 epic Zinger sandwich hacks your kids will love. All you need: chicken zinger, mayo, fries or Lay's, and your favorite bread. Lightly toast your chosen bread for the perfect crunch.
Number 1. Crispy Zinger Burger.
Burger time. Mayo, zinger, fries, boom.
Number 2. Zinger Wrap.
Wrap it up for the perfect grab-and-go snack.
Number 3. Zinger Caboose Pocket.
This one's a pocket full of happiness.
Club sandwich vibes. Crunchy, creamy, and so good.
Flaky pastry, crunchy zinger. Best combo ever.
Crispy Chicken Zinger, Soft Bun, Mayo Magic, and Golden Fries. The ultimate Zinger hot dog roll, ready in seconds. Number 7. Zinger Chapati Roll. Warm the roti, spread that mayo, add crispy zinger and fries, roll it up tight. Your snack game just leveled up. These are our 7 epic Zinger sandwich hacks, easy snack ideas for moms. Subscribe and stay connected.